Assalamu alaikum, children. I am your computer teacher, Miss Nighat. Today we are going to learn something very interesting in our computer book, the Table of Shapes. Before we play today's game, we must understand what columns and rows are. When blocks or shapes are arranged above each other, going up and down, we call it a column. For example, circle, triangle, circle. This is a column because the shapes are standing one on top of the other, just like the floors of a building. Remember, column equals sign up and down. When blocks or shapes are arranged next to each other, going side by side, we call it a row. For example, circle, square, triangle. This is a row because the shapes are sitting next to each other, just like children sitting on a bench. Great! Now you know what columns and rows are. Children, now that we know columns and rows, let's do a small activity together. Example 1. Is this a column or a row? Correct. It is a column because the shapes are arranged up and down. Example 2. Now is this a column or a row? Yes, this is a row because the shapes are side by side. Now take your notebook and draw one column with 3 shapes and one row with 3 shapes. You can use any shapes you like. Well done, children! Today we explored columns and rows. Column means up and down and row means side by side. In our next lesson, we will play an even more fun game with shapes. Bye-bye!